Good morning everyone, this is... Ano title nun?
Good morning,
Chef Boy Logro and Chef Girl Lagra. Today we are with Mikey Montards and Deepen Imbat.
Yeah, you know it.
Hello, say everyone. What are you making today? Hey, she or wishy?
I use clitoris gloves. Corn beef! Yay!
Oh, corn beef.
Yay!
What is the ingredients?
There's a garlic, desert onion, garlic, potato, what else? Ketchup. What's your problem?
Knife, chopping board, you know.
Open this one. Assistant.
So, the procedures. First step. Here's our helper, Chef Girl Lagra.
And this is our...
We will also need rice.
Bigas.
The rice is, I don't know.
It's under the table.
Hey, you do this. Get that. And here's our other helper, Chef Boy Logwell.
Negra.
Negra.
Yeah, you know it. It's Negra.
So what is our...
She looks like Tweety Bird, you know.
So what is our first step in making the corned beef?
Silly the garlic and onion. First, you must put some olive oil.
Olive.
I don't know what kind of oil is that.
And then...
Bakla natin po.
Here's our
music editor.
pagsipagan mode.
And yung series,
Bakla natin.
they are doing some, I don't know.
We will continue the procedures when after the commercial.
Yeah.